This is Bob-Omb Battlefield in Kirby 64. This is an update to my previous video, which I gave a beta release on Kirby plugin exporter. In that video, you may have noticed there was a lot of collision issues. Kirby was walking through triangles and just falling all over the place. Now those issues are primarily fixed. They still exist in a very minor way. Like individual triangles, maybe like one or two, will be non-solid, but I've managed to get around that this level just by simply moving triangles and moving the path around them, and it's very manageable issue. I'm not entirely sure if Kirby was even meant to be played in complex 3D spaces like Bob-Omb Battlefield. I'm not sure how much of that is improvable by me making better code, or how much of that is just going to be inherent for a complex level. If you look at the original levels, I've tested a few of them. I had zero issues when they were mostly flat like the original game was. Now, the new issue that I run into since this collision update is that the entities, or the enemies, like these poppy bros, people who are throwing the bombs, they don't work in certain parts of the level. I know what the issue is, though I don't know enough about the game to fix it. So that'll be coming later, after I research more. But as things have been going pretty quickly, just steps, slow and steady, or a quick and steady pace. I think I'll be able to figure it out soon. As of now, everything's working very well. You can see the graphics work very nicely. The pathing now works perfectly. The collision is very, very good for the most part. You only have issues in certain very small areas of the level, and you can work around that for custom levels, for complex geometry. The things that are going to come next will be water and better entity placement. And those are the only major things I can think of in regards to the level exporter, and it'll be done. It's 100% working. Further along from that, I've discovered basically where all the data is for the enemies and Kirby, so I think after I finish those things I've talked about in the level exporter, we'll be going on towards entity replacement, so do model replacements for bosses, for characters, and the other stuff. The animation format is already documented, so I don't know how long it'll take, but it's definitely possible that we're going to get custom characters, custom animations in the near future. I don't want to put a timeline on it though, because I may become busy with real life. Anyway, I'm going to link an update to the build. It should be beta version 1.1. Go ahead, download it, give it a try. I think now is probably the best time to start hacking Kirby. If you want to make some custom levels, everything's working great. Thanks for watching.